Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, it's our day 2. The first thing I want to make clear, we do not work on this on Saturdays and Sundays. So Saturdays and Sundays will not be counted in the journey. Now look, today, what we are creating, obviously, we have to work on PPC and we have to work on SEO. So SEO is running side by side. But what exactly have I done for PPC? Now, the offers I am promoting, I have set up approximately 20 campaigns. All right, all of my campaigns are lead search campaigns. There are 20 campaigns in this. Besides this, I have approximately, I think, around 10 campaigns set up here as well. All right, 1 second. I have also set up around 10 campaigns here. Look, whenever we start anything, there's always something here. Always campaigns running alongside. And here we also have 6 active campaigns. When we work on anything, what you all do is, if you have to run any ad, you just run a single ad and leave it. You set up a single ad and leave it. But what do I believe? Look, testing is very important. A/B testing is very important. Whatever offer you are running. Like right now, I am mainly focusing on 5 offers. I have already told you. I am focusing on pest control, roofing, plumbing, the Obamacare offer, and there is one more offer that I am mainly focusing on. We are working on 5 offers. So what will happen for these 5 offers? In one offer, we will run a minimum of 5 to 8 campaigns. What will I do in one offer at a minimum? I will run 5 to 8 campaigns, and when we have 5 to 8 campaigns running here, I said that some of my campaigns are going very well. Like, I'll show you that I've been running it for a little while. Okay, I think I've been running it since the 26th or 27th. I started doing it. If I show you, we have spent a total of 8,500 rupees so far. We have generated 10 calls. On average, we get $40 to $50 per hour. On average, we get $40 to $50 per hour. You can do the multiplication. So far, we have generated around $450. There are campaigns for some clients, some offer campaigns, and I have already provided you with the payment proof for that. And all the campaigns I have set up include one for pest control, another for roofing, another for plumbing. And I am directly running the Obamacare campaign for a client. So we are running different campaigns on that. There are different campaigns. We are trying to generate revenue here. So whoever is on this journey with me, whoever is following this journey with me and doing all these things properly, you see, what did I already say? In this journey, it's not like I will do everything in advance, complete it all, and then present it to you. No, everything will happen from zero along with you. Now, if I show you here, so here you are carefully observing that these 10 calls we have generated were approximately done in 10 clicks. It means if you look at it in the true sense, I generated a call with every click. Now, this doesn't mean that in the future, a call will be generated with every click. I am not saying that, but our ROI usually remains around 50 to 60% minimum. What are we getting right now? Right now, our Forex ROI is coming out. It means we have extracted 4 times the amount. At around 8,500, we have generated an amount of approximately $40,000 to $42,000 here. All right. So from 1 million, we have generated more than 40,000. And obviously, I am going to present the complete A to Z report right before your eyes. All the payments we are receiving, whether through PayPal, Payoneer, or our gateway, everything. I'm going to provide you with the payment proof in the upcoming time. In addition, whatever earnings we are going to make from any network, whether from the market, from any earning channel like LeadSmart, or from any network, I am going to present the complete A to Z of everything before you. So those who want to personally join this journey with me can obviously join our PPC or CO bag. Our journey continues in both. And you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number here. You can join our journey, and I guarantee you that if you undertake this journey, I will help you make 1 million rupees in 3 months. All right, if you work properly and invest correctly, I will help you achieve that as well. And anyone who is serious about digital marketing can join me. I will get each offer approved, get the network approved, and introduce you to direct clients. Besides that, I will teach you how to work in a SEO. I'm going to do everything from A to Z with you, along with what I have already promised you all, that I will show you this entire journey. So anyone who is undertaking this journey with me and is practically following up, you will create minimum 5 campaigns for one offer. Create 5 campaigns for one offer. Obviously, I can't disclose too much here, as it is part of the paid batch. All right, like ad groups, location targeting, what keywords are being used, all these series, all these things that are part of that. So I can't disclose everything, but I will help you as much as I can. You need to run a minimum of 5 campaigns for one offer. You need to run a minimum of 5 campaigns. Read the entire offer. Which are the negative keywords, negative ones. You need to remove keywords. Use assets, use cycling, use all the things. I am running it right in front of your eyes. I am putting funds into it. I will refresh and show you. Some people think that the guy is taking screenshots. So brother, no screenshots. I am not doing that. In 10 clicks, you have 10 calls right in front of your eyes. If one call makes 25 $, even if normal PPC makes a minimum of 25, you can multiply it. 250 is still yours. But my average, because my clients are like that, my average is around $40 to $45 per call. So that's why my amount is a bit higher. All right. But when you work directly with advertisers and you are at the beginning level, you won't make that much amount, but you will still make some amount. This is a problem from my side. This is a promise from my side, sorry. All right. So if anyone wants more videos of this journey, please write it down in the comments saying, I want more videos of this journey. Every person will comment that they want to see more videos of this. If you definitely want to see more videos of this amazing journey, you will appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe its screenshot. You can send its screenshot on my WhatsApp. If it is truly the best one I receive, I will give you a special discount, and I will gladly share it with you along with my entire journey experience. And as many of you know already, if you're a couple, then you'll absolutely love that thing too. Okay? Where we plan to organize camps in various locations. We'll organize so many exciting camps in total. And I'll run these wonderful camps for how many days? At least 5 offers will be needed for one campaign. Okay? Keep this in mind and you all subscribe to it. This is the result as well. Okay? So look, now you are performing here and at the pace control here, performing here, performing here. So I hope you like this video. Thank you very much. I just want you to definitely comment on how you find this journey, okay? Like, subscribe and comment, you can share it. So look and check out the description and I will provide you with gifts and percentages, okay? So in this video, thank you very much.